Today, I'm showing you the 5 powerful Canva AI tools you need to try whether you're a student, freelancer, or small business owner. This will save you time and level up your designs. Let's jump in. First one would be Magic Write. Start with just a prompt and let Magic Write generate captions, scripts, or outlines for you instantly. Perfect for Instagram, emails, or presentations. Second, text to image. Just describe what you want, like a cat with sunglasses in Times Square, and Canva creates it. Great for custom visuals or placeholders. Third, Magic Edit. Erase anything or swap objects with AI like turning a coffee cup into a smoothie, no Photoshop needed. Fourth, Magic Animate. Make your presentation look alive with one click. Just select your elements and hit Magic Animate. Canva handles the motion. And lastly, Magic Design. Upload a photo and get instant templates tailored to your content, perfect for reels, flyers, or resumes. These Canva AI tools are easy and perfect for creating content fast.